Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Skanda. I'll be streaming every day on Twitch from 6 p.m. CST and I'll be playing a variety of different games and just relaxing over here. So if that is something that you like, then feel free to drop by. And yeah, with that, I'll be continuing my playthrough of Nightingale. So I have been playing this game for past 2-3 days now, and I am quite enjoying it. Although for the past, I think yesterday I encountered some major issues with the game in terms of like loading, in terms of like how buggy it was, or like how like it was lagging quite a bit. So and also right now I'm playing online. I tried to see if I could switch it to offline mode, but I cannot. Once you start a character in one realm, like an online realm, you have to stay over there. And if you want to do an offline one, you have to stay in the offline realm. This time I started online because I wanted to check out how online feels like. But man, the server issues are just too much. Like it's very laggy, and whenever you cross through the portals across realm, it's really laggy. So that's the main issue that I'm facing. I tried to fix it a little bit offline, but I was not able to do anything. Any major performance improvements. So yeah, I hope it gets fixed. But now I have an indication like when the game releases in 1.0 or when there are like multiple massive updates sometime in the future, when I come back to this game, I will be playing it offline. I won't be playing online. So that's the one thing which I learned, which is fine. This is my first playthrough, first attempt at this game, right? So sure. Yeah. Okay, where was I? So I need to talk to that guy. Okay. So I need to go to the portal. Okay. That's where I was. Yeah, yesterday I upgraded my gear a little bit. As we can see, I have like tier 2 like blunderbuss and tier 2 climbing picks. So which are nice. I also tried charms. I think okay, that's not I won't try to fight these guys. Oh man. Okay. Oh yeah, also I can just... Oh. Okay. So I have already completed that. I don't know why it respawned. Let me go here and attempt to start the portal because it takes a while for the portal to come up. Okay. Okay, let me take out this. I forgot you can't zoom with this. Where is... Oh my god, it one-shot. It one-shots them. Okay. Okay, I did not know it one-shot them, which is nice. Okay, wait. Is it open? No. Okay, where is this guy? Nice. Done. Okay. I'm surprised. Let me see. Yeah, so there were like infestations, right? This is what I call infestation. So these things are somewhat like infestation. I had already killed those things, but I guess they respawn. Yeah, this is what I was saying. The loading times, like you have to come towards the portal, you have to switch that on, then you have to wait for the realm to build again, and then you have to travel there. Like it's too much. This is just too much. In online mode. Yeah.
Returning again to seek a bit of realm walking wisdom.
Ah, there it is. What I've been hoping to see in you all along. The flame of fortitude burning in those lost eyes. Do you feel yourself prepared to face down all that lies in the realms ahead?
This bolstered equipment is indeed a boon. I felt plenty prepared before all
The
this.
line between confidence and hubris is as thin as it is treacherous.
Zephyr Anchor Point. Crude remote realmic transmuter.
Alas, this mentorship comes to its close, for the root of gold beckons me once more. While there won't be a ceremony, I congratulate you on holding cowardice at bay and completing your trials. I attest that most are not built for realm diving.
Isn't there a third trial?
Yes, yes. However, the third trial, my friend, never ends. It persists. Now that I trust you, not to perish at the first sight of a Carnute, I will be a man of my word. The last we spoke, Nelly was in a desert herbarium realm.
Okay, I need
One
to go
where
to Desert
scorching
Realm
dews
now.
could char Lucifer himself. Only Nelly knows why she's... You should be able to access most of the requisite cards to reach Nelly's. All straightforward, yes? I caution you not to attempt reaching Nelly
Until survival second
is
nature.
second nature. Should you make it to Quatermain, send the old... May the love of the unknown guide you.
Okay. So what are the objectives? Provisioner card, Astrolabe card, diving ever further, Astrolabe. And the gear score. Okay. So this equipment is 36 gear. This equipment is 57. Every single one of these equipments I can upgrade to level 2. Yeah. But before that, let me see something. So, what is this? Essence Trader. Oh yeah, I have already gone there. Okay. And the Fate Hour is completed. Okay. So, unlock the Provisioner card. Do you sell anything? No, right? No. Okay. Let me make my way to the Essence Trader. And then let's see. Yeah. Let me make my way there. I want to see if she has any of the cards or something like that. Okay, why are there so many of these spawning? I don't want to fight you guys. It's just a waste of time. Oh my god, really? Okay, these guys. Okay, thank you. Also, where is Estelle? Wait, who is that hitting me? Oh, this guy. Also, where is Estelle? Like, what? He teleported. Oh my. I missed. How did that miss? Wait, is this guy shooting a mortar? He's very tanky. Oh, she's injured. Okay, that makes sense. I guess she took her revenge now. Okay, nice. There were so many of these guys. Okay. But I was able to kill all of them, which is nice. What is this? This will drop me a tier 2 essence. How many of these do they drop? Really? Another one? Okay. I'm just running. Estelle, you can take care of them if you want. I'm leaving. I'm not fighting them. It's just way too boring. And there are more people over there. Wait. Why is the trader not helping me? I mean, the trader should help me, right? Okay. Nice. This gun is so big, I don't even know where I'm aiming at half the time. Because you need to be very close to them to... Can Estelle? Where is Estelle? Oh, she's there. Okay, she's coming, she's coming, she's coming. She's running towards me. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Nice. Oh my god. Okay, where are they? Oh. He didn't die. Okay. Okay. So now everyone should be dead. Come on. Nice. Okay, now let's see what you have. Especially the cards. I need the cards. Where are the cards? I also can buy some refined benches from this guy. Augmentations. Does he not have Oh, realm cards. Minor. Utopia, Settler, Thin Veiled. Okay. Utopia, Settler, Thin Veiled. Okay, it's none of those cards. Ah, okay. I will probably buy the crafting benches, the refined one. That's the only thing that I want now. Refined sewing bench, textile, sauce, smelter, mortar, masonry. How much is this? 90? I can actually buy all of them. Okay. I just bought all the crafting benches, sure. That might be a mistake, but it's fine for now. Oh, storage. Yeah. Plant box, minor cards, whale card, Utopia card, settler card, infusions, heal and injury resist, charms, trapper's outfit, watering cans. Okay, I think this is good. Now let's see. I will actually go back. Yeah. Oh, my realm is being prepared, so I can't go back just yet. Do I have the knife? Yes. Okay, so that is done. Oh, I can actually get some of these. Tin ore? Sure. Oh, nice. I picked up everything. Nice, nice, nice. Thank God. I need ore, I think, for the next set of armor pieces. Let me build up the new set of crafting benches, and then I should get some better gear. That should help me quite a bit. Let's see. Let's see what I can make. Okay. Now, and okay, mark all as red. Yeah. Crafting benches. Refined. Okay, refined. So you need lumber, wire. What is this? Carved stone, stone powder. Okay. This is refined mortar. Okay. Refined saw table. Okay. Refined sewing bench. Okay, this is refined sewing bench. What does the actual sewing bench give me? It's all locked right now. Why are they locked? Refined sewing bench. Okay. Frontiersman coat. Okay, let me... Oh man, I have to place a completely new sewing thing. And the thing is, so my current sewing bench, I can't even destroy it. Yeah, there is a lot of like building quality of life stuff missing. Like I should be able to move stuff, I should be able to destroy stuff, I should be able to get the resources back that I used to craft this, probably. All of that. Yeah, that's what I'm missing. Okay. So now... let me place those. Let me place that. What was that sound? Okay, then stone wall, place. Then a door, stone door. Then place a roof, wood upper floor, stone. Nice. Okay. I have completed those. Now, oh, nice. So current weight capacity is 37.25. Alchemical link. Okay. What is it doing? Am I getting some buff? No. I don't know what it's doing. Okay, but it's very fancy. That is all I know. Okay. So I will go a little bit further and try to get as much stone as I can. Stone blocks as I can. 'Oh my god, there's so much stone over here. Nice. Okay, I still have a lot more carry capacity. Mm. $87.25. I have gotten 48, which is not enough at all. Oh, provisioner site of power. Oh, this is where I first came, right? Yeah. This is where I... Wait, what? Was it? No! This is not where I came for... Okay. This is a completely new place. Okay. Hmm. $57. Okay. I will probably head back now. Okay. Today I will do some exploration, some base building, everything. I kind of want to wrap this up because I kind of feel like lots of stuff is missing, right? So I kind of want to wait until lots of stuff is built. It's like baked into the game. I want to wait till then. Okay. I need a little bit more stone and couple of wooden logs. Ooh, what is that? Hopeful essence. Um, 33. This should be nearly enough, but let me take a little bit more because I don't want to come back here. Nice. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm good now. So now I have 54, 93.25. I will head back. Nice. Okay, everything is built. Perfect. So now okay. Now I will place all my tier 2 stuff, crafting benches over here. Crafting benches. Masonry bench. Okay. Refined mortar. Oh, mortar has its own like standing piece. Nice. Refined saw table. Okay, why is this? Okay. And then refined sewing. Refined smelter. This is still so small. I thought at least the refined one would be a little bit big. But nope. Refined textile is done. Okay. Everything else is simple, I assume. Yeah. Okay. So there is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 simple workbenches or crafting benches. But I have unlocked only 6 refined ones. Okay. Which is fine. Now, let's see. I want to do sewing bench first. Lumber 4. Lumber 4. Can I even... Oh, I can.